Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, we are going to talk about how to change eBay password. So it's gonna be a pretty simple video. First of all, log into your accounts if you didn't have done that already. Then click on my eBay and right through here go to your accounts like this. Once you have done that, you will be taken to this page where you will find your informations. Click here on personal info and simply click on sign in and security. From this area, you will have password. This is create a password or modify your existing one. So what we have to do is to click simply on edit. And in my case, I don't really sign in using a password because I log in with Google. So here I have to simply directly write a new password. So this is like a random password that Google generated for me. So what I have to do is to simply either choose it or simply create mine, just like, let me show you here, just to like make it more secured. Of course, showing you is not really making it any secure, but yeah, you got the main idea. And once you have done that, you are simply going to save it. But there is a couple of things to respect, which is basically having 8 characters and basically having one in capital letter, having numbers, and a symbol within your password to make it strong. Nowadays, this is like a formula for every single account that you need to make. Because back then it was normal if you simply just done here, for example, 123 123, but now it's much complicated because hackers will hack you easily if you had these kind of passwords. Once you have changed it, click on save and you are good to go. So that was it. Thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video.